Ever wonder how designers bend text into shapes like banners or distorted logos? Well, you're in luck because today we're looking into a classic tool in Adobe Illustrator, the Envelope Distort tool. This tool has been around for a long time, helping designers warp text into fun shapes. I'm Omar and you're watching QuickTips tutorials. Okay, first type your text with the type tool. Pick something bold. Fonts like Arial Black or Impact would work great with this effect. Let's draw an ellipse. And draw another ellipse on top of it. Select both. Center those. And with the Pathfinder tool, let's unite them. Now let's change the color. Just want to make sure the text is behind that object. Now for the fun part. Select both, go to Object, Envelope Distort, and Make with Top Object. Now your text is perfectly warped into the shape. You can also double-click on the text anytime and change it. See how easy that was? Imagine using this for custom logos, posters, or even fun headers. Now let's check out two other options. Type another text, scale it, and go back to the tool itself, Object, Envelope Distort, and Make with Warp. As you can see, you have multiple options. Start the flag. You can tweak that to your liking, and you can experiment with all the other options here. Now for the third part, go to Object again, Envelope Distort, and Make with Mesh. A dialog box will appear. It's the mesh matrix. Let's keep it as 4x4 for now. Click OK, zoom in. And if you choose the Direct Select tool and select any point here, move it, you can adjust to your liking. There you have it. Warping text in Illustrator with the Envelope Distort tool is a lot of fun. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and hit the subscribe button for more tips. See you in the next video.